Hi everybody, today's focus I am testing out Scrubbing Bubbles bathroom cleaner to see how well it removes soap scum from my bathtub. So I'm always looking for a bathroom cleaner that's going to make my life easier when it comes to removing soap scum. So if you've watched my channel in the past, you know that I have a shoulder injury, and so scrubbing can be very difficult on my shoulder and my forearm. So I'm always looking for a bathroom soap scum remover that's going to be easy on my arm. So today I'm going to test out the Scrubbing Bubbles. I decided to test out the Scrubbing Bubbles that has the refill kit. So if you haven't seen this in the store, basically it comes with a bottle and a sprayer. In these refill pods, basically what you do is you put a pod inside the bottle, fill it with warm water, shake it, dissolve it, and you've got yourself a cleaner. So when you run out of Scrubbing Bubbles, you can just purchase a little refill pod instead of an entire new bottle. So I figured I'd give it a try and see how well it works. Once we have the pod dissolved inside the bottle, then we just spray the surface. They say, 6 to 8 inches from the surface. For tough jobs, let it stand up to 10 minutes before wiping. And you can use it on all bathroom surfaces: tubs, shower walls, vinyl shower curtains, shower doors, sinks, countertop, vanity tops, on and on. So sounds pretty good to me. And then when you run out of cleaner, all you have to do is rinse out to your bottle, let it dry, and then purchase another pod and start all over again. So let's see how well Scrubbing Bubbles removes soap scum from my bathroom. Let me show you why my shower gets so dirty and grimy. So my husband has been working on our plow truck, and it is such a dirty, oily, greasy, grimy job. My goodness. So whenever he's working on one of his cars or trucks, I most certainly get a really dirty, grimy shower, which is good for when I'm trying to test a product, but annoying otherwise. Overall, the Scrubbing Bubbles Dissolve bathroom cleaner with a concentrated pod did a good job at removing the soap scum and grime from my bathtubs. I did let it sit for 10 minutes for tough jobs just to see how well it could get rid of those really difficult, grimy, and soap scum spots. I don't think it is necessary to wait the 10 minutes for normal use, normal cleaning on the walls of the shower, because it seemed to dry up before I was able to wipe it. I had to spray it again a couple of times, but that's nothing. Normally, I would just spray and wipe or wait a few minutes and spray and wipe. So 10 minutes I think was too much for the walls, but the 10 minutes was probably necessary for the extra dirty, grimy, soap scummy bottoms of my tub and shower. I purchased this starter kit for $4.99 from Target. And if I want to just purchase the refill pods, they come in a 2-pack and it's $4.99 for a 2-pack of pods. So it's not bad on price. I don't feel the price is bad at all, and I like the fact that you can reduce some of the plastic. It's not bad. Might I buy some more pods? I might. I test so many products that usually by the time I finish using a bottle of something, I'm on to testing the next thing. But I am happy with it. I think it did work well. Now, as for the scent, it is a very strange scent. It's very strong, classic bathroom cleaner scent. I did cough quite a bit when I was using it, but if you've watched my channel before, you know almost always when I'm cleaning my shower with something other than steam, I'm coughing because the scents usually do bother me a little bit. It doesn't linger at all, so that is a good thing. That is a plus. The scent didn't linger. It is strong when you're spraying it immediately. One thing that stood out to me was its green color. So as I sprayed my white shower and my white walls, I can actually see where it is. So if someone interrupts me while I'm wiping my walls, which happens quite a bit in my family, I can look right back and I could see the green, so I knew where I had wiped and where I hadn't wiped. So that's something that's a little interesting and a little different that I did like. Another thing I really liked about this product is that I did not have to scrub very hard. So if you follow my channel, you probably know I have a shoulder issue, and I'm always looking for a bathroom cleaner that is going to be easy, more of a wipe off and not so much of a strong scrubbing, because my shoulder really acts up and it hurts a lot. This did work very well. Those walls, the soap scum on the walls into my glass door just came off with a simple wipe of the white cloth, and the bottom where it was kind of grimy and extra dirty, I did have to use my little scrubby brush, but just my little skinny one. It's kind of a soft bristle actually scrubby brush. And I had to use that because, you know, on the floor of the shower and tub, it has a texture and dirt and grime gets stuck there. So the white cloth wasn't enough just to get that off. I did have to use my scrubby brush, but I did not have to scrub hard at all, which was really great for my shoulder. Overall, I think it is a good product, a little strong in the scent, but it does work well, it is environmentally friendly, and I'm happy that I tried it. If there is a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor and put it in the comments section and I'll add it to my viewer suggestion list. Or if you want to mail me something, my mailbox address is in the description below. Just do me a favor and send me an email, that's also in the description below, so that I know it is from you. Take care, have yourselves a great day.